like all my videos, so I thought I'd get all the boys around with all their fully sick cars, since all of them are running now, and get some drone photos and do some other stuff just to see if we can redo it and make it look good. So yes, we'll start positioning some cars, and that's all done. We'll see where the night goes, but yeah, it's good to be out and about. All right, so we've got an issue already. So the old drone ski, because of the way I want to do the video, I can't actually get, what a cool photo that is. I can't actually get the drone to focus on me when I'm standing so close to it. So I'm gonna have to give someone else to drive it, and hopefully it doesn't break. Because it's expensive, it was an expensive drone. So we're all going, the lights have come on nicely, so we've got a nice little scape happening. Hopefully the drone will get a good bit of footage for you, so Alrighty, so we've gotten one bit of footage, but now they want me to do some more footage, some quality dronage. So I'm not very good at quality dronage. So I'll put the footage up, which I'm gonna take now for them. Hopefully it comes across good, but unfortunately my big ugly head has to be in the middle of the screen for it to be able to work. So we'll smash it. We'll smash it out. Well, that turned out well. Unfortunately, we've got low battery, so we've got to chuck a new battery in the dog. I'm a bit worried because we haven't got our guard protectors on, so if I hit anything, which I have a great history of doing, we'll have issues. We'll bust it. Uh-oh, we're in trouble. Alright, for this next shot, oh, copyright. For this next shot, we are going to move the cars into like a fan. In my brain, this is going to look good, but it might not look good. So we've got the whole car park to ourselves, and no one's coming in to catch the bus, so we're all sweet. So I'll quickly spin all the cars around, chuck where they need to be, and then we shall do some more drone photos. Oh, copper dogs are coming to get us. All right. Now I've got to go through the painstaking journey. They're off to get some noodle box. I've got to go through the painstaking journey of moving every individual car. So Jaden did it the first time, now it's my turn. Next time I think it's Steve's turn to move all the cars. Oh, you wonder if I fit in an MX-5? A Miata? You're right, I do, barely. Oh, jinkies. Oh. I feel like I'm in a toy car, like those little pedal cars you get when you're a kid. That's what I feel like I'm in. Noisy in here, but. Right, okay, next we're driving the Starburst. Is this colour Starburst? Sunburst. Victory Gold. We're driving the Victory Gold XR6 Turbo FGX. Delicious. Look at them delicious gauges. All right, we'll start this bad boy up. Ooh. Okay. Oh, it feels weird driving automatic. Oh, I love that parking sensor. I love it. Alrighty. The hardest thing about driving some of the older cars is it doesn't have a reversing camera, so the reversing camera does really help. But then again, I've just been spoiled for choice, I reckon. So the next thing we're doing is we're moving this car next to my FGX, so that we've got two orange cars side by side. Well, not side by side, you know what I mean, next to each other. There's so many cars to choose from. Where we're going to line them up in this lineup here. Oh, my life be like ooh wah, ooh wah, ooh wah. Supra next. All right, we're going to drive the Supra. We haven't got keys. Where are the keys for the Supra, bruh? Oh, all you JDM boys, eat your heart out. I am driving a Supra, bruh. Purple, look at that spark in the light. Anyway, since we're having a JDM day, we're gonna chuck this one next to the mighty Miata. And yeah, this would be nice having one of these as a drift car, but that would upset a lot of purists. Oh yeah, the fan is coming together. All right, next will be, I don't know, purple, orange, I reckon Hot Rod Red, Iron Man Red. You reckon that should be the next one in the lineup? We'll finish off with the 2 grey cars on the end. Oh yeah, a bath. How do we start this thing? Are we starting? Action. You know what you do when you're at work all day? You have a bath when you get home. Oh. All right, let's make it happen, Cap.
Make it go pop, pop, bang, bang. No, you gotta go forward and then let it run.
We'll try and make it do a pop. It's got a crackle tune. Oh, it did it! It did it! Sorry for plugging your car, bro. How do we reverse in this thing? It's a flash one. There we go. It's all coming together. It's all coming together. And just for you guys, I'm not driving so you can hear the best sounding car in the fleet. Oh, start it up, mate. Oh. Doesn't it just make your balls tingle? Oh. My vision is complete. Oh, I'm getting in one of the photos. How good does that look? In my brain, that looks mint. Hopefully it does look good when the drone does it, because from this angle it won't look any good in the video. So we'll wait for our boy to get back from Noodle Box, because he can't help himself, he's got to eat. So we'll chuck him with the BF, the Boosty. We'll chuck him right here. If not, we might switch my car around so it looks different. I'm not sure yet, but I reckon it looks good the way it is. So we'll smash that out, wait for him to get back. Maybe I'll make a TikTok video or something. Be one of those guys. And now the vision is completed. All right, now I got to stand in front of my car and pose like a spaz so that it looks good for the video. Hopefully it does. Otherwise, this is going to be all for nothing. Anyway, time to get the drone up and at 'em. Got J-Dog on the drone. Cars are ready. Hopefully this works. Kid's gonna bin my drone. At least we'll have it on camera if he does. Alright, for my next piloting feat, I'm going to try to do a U-shape around the cars with the drone. I'm not going to free fly it. I'm going to have to use all the controls because there's too many shit here for it to hit. So, and I don't think it does an automatic flyer anyway. So we'll try and freehand it around and see what it looks like. But yeah, we'll see how good it comes out. Okay, now we're doing Connor's vision.
Our vision is prime.
Prime. So we're gonna have my car in the middle and then everyone's car in like a U, like this, but like opposite, and it should look different. So we'll let his creative juices flow all over the floor and see where it goes. Should be good. I see the vision coming together. It's like my car's gonna be part of a bukkake. A bukkake, huh? Kaki, you like that one? Michael's here organising, doing a good job. When it comes to getting shit to fit, he's the man to talk to. The vision is coming together, quite swell. It's a big ginger in a ginger car. Okay, so this should look good when this is all done. We shall get the drone up again for another photo shoot thingy. We will be picking one of these as the new intro, so I'll chuck the new intro at the end of the video before the outro, if that makes sense. So hopefully it'll come good. A lot of editing for me to do because my computer's crashed, so I can't really edit the drone footage properly. So take a while. But yeah, the vision is coming together nicely. Just when we went to take the photo, we realized that the cars weren't lined up and it got the better of us, our OCD. So we've rearranged everything so that everything lines up perfectly. Trying to get out of this car, it's so freaking low. Okay, and we're gonna recenter everything so everything else looks mint.
Right?
Oh, this is quite the undertaking.
Yeah.
Connor has performed it. All right, the vision is set. We've got the boys in the drone. All I gotta do is stand here and look pretty, which is the hard bit. I'm incredibly ugly. So we'll smash this out. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, I think that might be one of the best ones we've done yet. So, yeah, it's going to be hard editing to figure out which one we're going to like. But we're down to the last battery on the drone, so we're running out of time for filming. So we might get some more photos of everyone's car and then we'll smash it. Aiden is terrorizing everyone with the drone. He's going to break it before we get these last photos done. Okay, same as before, we have the car on an angle. We're going to do the wanky get out of the car and walk thing and see if that works. Hopefully it looks good on video. Luckily the first time wasn't recording. I did a cringe walk. It was pretty cringy. So at least everyone here got to see it.
Full stop.
Oh, they're off to do some shenanigans. Some naughty naughties. Anyway, I'm gonna go take some photos of this. So we're not taking the GoPro on the shenanigans drive because there's going to be naughties happening. So yeah, I'm going to take some photos. Hopefully we get some nice ones. Any decent ones I might throw in the video. If not, they might be on Facebook. Not sure. Are they coming around here? Oh no, okay. Should I get there quick enough? That's 60. And they were going 60. I saw the speedo. Larkin Garage Photography, mate. Bangers. Banger photos. Oh, look at these. You wait till these come out. These are going to look crash hot. Just kidding. I'm absolutely garbage at taking photos. More importantly, what'd you think?
Oh yeah, goes alright.
You guys alright? Hey, enjoyed it?
That's next level. That's next level.
Well, that might be it for this video. Really fun time getting everyone together again. It was sick. So yeah, good way to bring in the new year. I think we've already had that video though. So yeah, hopefully this year's going to be a mint one. Lots of car shit happening, and yeah, more adventures. Anyway, here's the new outro. Hope you enjoy it. Boop. And thank you guys for watching. Keep on boosting, and we will see you in the next video.